What's happening, guys? This is Funny Killing for the Bella Fanatic 2019, and I thought about doing the first reaction video. So it will be do not press the B button. I'm sort of thinking it's a Pokemon meme. It was uploaded on, oh good lord, 31st of May 2010. Blimey, about 9 years ago. It was uploaded by Anonyum1996. I terribly apologise if I can't pronounce the names right. 736 subscribers. Blimey. Well, I could see why that user is famous. Anyway, let's see what this video is about. How wicked it's funny. Holy crap, Trochic is involving. I can't pronounce the Pokemon name right, so I do apologise, guys. Whatever you do, do not press the B button. I don't have the B button on my iPhone, so yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, that has got to be the funniest Pokemon ever. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh man. I could see why. Well, anyways guys, this was my first reaction video. I hope you liked it. So if you want to see some more reaction videos from me, subscribe to my channel. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And this is Bonnie Cullen from the Bella Fanatic 2019. Over and out.